Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm called Dr. Janvier Mitire. I hold a PhD in data science with specialization in data mining. I have also educational background in public health, economics, and finance. I'm the Vice President of Rwanda Monitoring Evaluation Organization. This is the Rwanda Monitoring Evaluation Society in Rwanda. I'm also the founder of the Horizon of Excellence, a research, training, and consulting company operating in Rwanda since 2011. I've been working as a monitoring evaluation and learning specialist for USAID Rwanda. I've also been providing mail and data analysis training since the creation of Horizon of Excellence. So today I have an offer for you. The offer for you is the community of practice. So its name is the Horizon of Excellence. It offers free mail training, and with that you also become statistical literate. So at the end of those programs, you have opportunities to have professional certificates. So if you want to explore this offer, you may visit our LinkedIn account, which is Dr. Janvier Mwitire, or you go straight forward to the YouTube, which is Horizon of Excellence 4819 in one word.